Hey, makeup bestie. Are you new to makeup? Did you buy a palette and perhaps it had this color in it? Did you shy away from it? If you did, it's okay. I'm here to help you. My name is Bianca, makeup artist and beauty advisor, and welcome to my series, Working with Black Eyeshadow. Today I'm going to walk you through how to achieve a classic smoky eye, just like this one. Stay tuned. To ensure ultimate pigmentation, I'm going to start off by using a black cream base and tapping that on my eyelid, keeping it concentrated on the lid area, and gently blending with my concealer brush. Next, I'm going to take a small flat eyeshadow brush and begin tapping that black eyeshadow onto the eyelid. I like to use a small brush to ensure control of where I'm placing my pigment. Next, I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush and begin blending out the edges of that black eyeshadow with a skin-like color. For me, it's going to be brown. I'm just going to sweep it back and forth into my crease area. I also went in with a deeper brown to wing it out to match my eye shape. Next, take a black eyeliner pencil and begin to apply it to the waterline of your bottom lashes. The key to not looking like a raccoon is to use a flat liner brush to apply that black eyeshadow to the lash line. Next, I'm going to take a pencil brush and use that same brown to blend out the edges. And now you're ready for lashes. I like to use a lash that flares out to open up my hooded eyes. Optional, you might want to put some mascara on your bottom lashes. And there you have it, a classical smoky eye. Hope this helps.